watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Welcome to a guide on how to freshen up your home with simple and timeless summer decorating ideas. These tips are easy to implement, allowing you more time to enjoy the warm weather and long days. Let's explore some beautiful ideas to bring a touch of summer into every room of your home. Summer kitchen and dining room. Create a bright and airy kitchen with a modern farmhouse design. Use crisp white cabinets and light blue accents to evoke a fresh, summery feel. Add coastal-themed paintings and a large wooden dining table to connect the kitchen to the dining area. Pendant lights and a spacious island with seating make this space perfect for cooking and socializing. Enhance the inviting atmosphere with natural light, baskets, and open shelving for a touch of rustic charm. Beachy blue summer living room. Transform your living room into a coastal farmhouse retreat. Use light wood floors and white walls to create a relaxed, casual atmosphere. Incorporate blue and green accents for a pop of color, and choose comfortable furniture with soft textures. Add beachy decorations to complete the look, making it the perfect place to unwind after a busy day. Modern boho farmhouse style. Blend boho and farmhouse styles for a unique summer look. Use natural materials like wood and wicker, and mix in some bohemian elements such as patterned pillows and throws. Keep the color palette neutral with occasional pops of color to maintain a simple, elegant look. Simple green and white summer mantle decor. Embrace the freshness of summer with green and white decor. Use tropical leaf prints and fresh greenery to decorate your mantle. This simple yet effective approach brings a natural, vibrant feel to your living space. Modern glam coastal style. Combine white interiors with warm wicker and wood tones for a modern coastal style. This look is perfect for summer, adding a touch of glamour with textures and natural elements. The result is a sophisticated, airy space that feels both luxurious and welcoming. Classic white slipcovers with floral accents. White slipcovers are a summer classic. Add fresh florals in vibrant colors to create a lively seasonal feel. This approach is beautifully showcased in Janine's home at Happy Happy Nester, where pops of color bring the space to life. vibrant florals in a 100-year-old home. Add pops of pink and orange florals to give your home a summer makeover. Leslie's 100-year-old home is a perfect example of how vibrant florals can bring a fresh, summery feel, complementing blues and greens for a balanced look. Warm and welcoming early summer decor. Even if you prefer neutral colors, you can create a fresh summer feel by mixing textures and soft hues. Vintage bread bowls and a soft blue bench. As seen in She Gave It a Go decoration, add warmth and charm to your summer decor. Coastal charm for any location. You don't have to live near the beach to enjoy coastal charm. Use crisp whites and pops of blue to create an airy summer feel, just like Sarah from Life on Virginia Street demonstrates in her stunning home tour. Year-round summer vibes from Making Home Base. Chelsea from Making Home Base captures summer beautifully all year round in her Florida home. Her home tour is full of gorgeous summery touches, from fresh flowers to light, breezy fabrics. These simple and timeless summer decorating ideas will help you create a fresh, inviting atmosphere in your home. Whether you live by the beach or in the heartland, these tips can bring the warmth and beauty of summer into every room. Enjoy decorating and make the most of the summer months.